Are we back once again with another video about Tickeron? It's just a really cool website. If you haven't been watching these Tickeron videos, Tickeron is a licensed investment advisor artificial intelligence platform. And so I've been doing a lot of videos based around the different features, benefits, ways that Tickeron can help traders make better decisions and basically try to make money in the markets, especially nowadays. It's a very difficult thing to do. Here's the CEO of the company. I've spoken to him on the phone, and he basically really cool guy from California. Basically, I think he was a professor of artificial intelligence and also a trader. And basically, he automated all of his own little trading strategies and systems, and probably even more than that. Automated them all and then put them onto this platform. So, pretty much an all-encompassing, comprehensive type of trading platform that is Tickeron. Anyways, they do have a paper trading marketplace. So what this means is that you can basically subscribe to somebody. So in this case, him. He has his own published paper trades, and you can basically subscribe to them and see what they're trading. A lot of trades that he's closed out. Let's see his open trades here. So you can see their open trades. You can see their profits and losses and that kind of stuff. So this is something I'm going to be starting here. Pretty interesting. Just a way to kind of track your trading abilities. Now I think this paper trading thing is essentially going to effectively go. Sorry if you were looking at that, but I really wasn't. That's not the focus of the video. Basically, I think what will happen is this will become a real live brokerage type of trading platform where you can actually trade directly from, like, say you get a signal, right? This is like free signals. There's premium pattern search signals. If you get one, then you'll be able to basically just click a button and take the trade right away. I think that's when this will really take off, is once this gets out of the paper trading phase. Instead of, I think the route that it's on right now is it's trying to do paper trading and then selling someone's trades. I don't think anybody's really that interested in paying somebody. I don't know. I like taking my own trades, but if you find someone that you like, say you just want Sergey to basically be your trader, you can subscribe to his trades, and he can essentially either trade for you or he'll send you alerts when he does a trade. That way you can just copy it or whatever. So it's kind of like an alert service. I don't like that route personally. I do love the route of being able to trade directly from the platform. That is not there yet, but I think it's coming. So anyways, basically what you can do is publish your paper trades. I don't have any right now. I haven't started yet, but I will be. Basically, you just have this paper trade stock trading simulator, which is under Marketplace, and you can just make a paper trade. So say, for example, I just want to come in here and buy SPY. Okay. Buy. So market order, buy. Open long with 10,000. So I'm going to buy 10,000 of SPY here. Now it's not gonna happen right away. Obviously the market's closed, but it'll pen the order, and at market open it'll just market buy 10,000 worth of SPY, and we'll just kind of see how that goes. I'm just going to trade SPY with it for a little while, and we'll see how that goes. And then if I screw up or something, we'll reset it to 0. So yeah, really kind of cool. And then you can kind of see your history here with your paper trades. Also, the paper trading kind of is a thread throughout the website where you can take the pattern. If you've seen my other videos, you've got the AI trading, where you got the AI real-time patterns, where you can take the paper trade based off the pattern. So let me see for example here. So there you go. So say we got the bullish pennant that played out for Google recently. You can just come in here and buy it or sell it short based off of that. So I think that's where this is going to really take off. Once I can just go, oh, look, I like this pattern. I can come in here and trade directly from my brokerage. Say I want to buy a few shares of Google because of it. That's going to be really cool. And then also you can use the bots. I believe you can have the bots do paper trades for you, so you can subscribe to one of these bots. I'm not exactly sure if this is yeah, so copy automatically to my paper trades. You can turn that on and just have the bot essentially trade for you. As of right now, this doesn't have any trades right now, but you can see it started with amount of each trade. Okay, so right now the profit and loss is 95,000, so that's a pretty nice deal. So yeah, if you like this kind of thing, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Peace.